How to integrate Square with QuickBooks. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's teach you how you will be able to add Square into our QuickBooks over here. So what we're going to do is very simple. Simply open your home page over here and look over here on the left side. You have all our different features over here. Navigate to our apps over here at the bottom and click on Find Apps. In this Find Apps over here, you can simply search any tools that we could input or install into our QuickBooks. And if you search Square over here, click on Enter, you will be able to find all the Square related apps that we will be able to use as a payments section. So simply look for the Square over here. There are different tools for Square. This tool over here, as you can see, for example, the Cinder will allow us to sync our Square account together with our Quick Edit. As you can see in the description, as you can see, Square is an option. So simply click on Get App Now and install the following app, and then you will be able to have Square integrated with your QuickBooks. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.